Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Win's Life is here again. And you know, when I'm here, it is dinner time. Yesterday I had fish. So today, I'm going to make pork. I know we had a lot of pork and beef from our holiday meal, but I'm craving for some pork today since I had fish yesterday. And I marinated it with just salt and pepper and bouillon powder and garlic powder. That's what I can smell, the garlic powder. And I am going to use this kind of mushroom. Look how pretty it looks. It looks like flowers. It's like clusters. This is the oyster mushroom. This is what they look like. And what I do is I'm just going to cut the end. And that's it. I'm not going to cut and split the mushroom because I like it whole. So, but I'm gonna remove it from being clustered like that. This is oyster mushroom. And then, what else do we have for the main ingredient? They call this Sotanghon. Sotanghon. So, I'm going to show you the rest of our ingredients. So, this is what the oyster mushroom looks like. When I was little, guys, my dad would cook this like adobo. Oh, it's so good. I'm not sure if my dad remembers that, but I remember it. So I'm just going to cut it like this ones right here. I just want to show you what it looks like, just in case you don't know what is oyster mushroom looks like. It's so pretty, yeah? It looks like flowers. Tomatoes, lots of onions, garlic, red bell pepper, and of course our pork, and then 2 cups of water. Maybe I will add more if that pork is not tender, because I want it to be really tender. And I'm going to use the achiote powder, and that's soy sauce, and this is the delicious goodness hot crispy oil with crispy garlic, and just the regular salt, pepper, olive oil, and our bouillon. Let's start sauteing. Olive oil, I'm gonna put garlic, onions, and then the pork, and I'm going to put the achiote powder. Then the soy sauce. Salt and pepper. Lots of pepper. Just a little bit of salt though, because we're adding a little bit of the chicken powder. And then the crispy garlic in spicy or hot crispy oil. This is actually not that spicy, guys. And then the water. And we're gonna boil it until the pork is very tender. And guys, I am going to add the tomatoes and the red bell pepper. Okay, now I'm going to add the mushroom and the noodles. And that's it, guys. It is done. Yum, yum, yum. OMG, guys. Look at that. Ta-da! That looks so yummy. What are we waiting for? Looks delish. Guys, it smells so delicious. What else are we waiting for? It is eating time. Yesterday I had the red snapper, guys, with the glass noodles. This time I had Sotanghon. The reason why I'm doing noodles, so I don't need to eat rice. Because if I eat rice, I know I'm gonna eat more than a cup of rice. So if I eat with noodles, I don't need to eat rice. Let us try some. So guys, if you don't have oyster mushroom, you can just use the regular mushroom or any kind of mushroom you can find. So let's try the mushroom first. And it is so hot. I don't know if you can see the smoke. It's the steam. The good thing about oyster mushroom and portobello mushroom, guys, the portobello mushroom that is really big, it tasted like meat. You can substitute it. You can substitute those two kind of mushroom if you don't want to eat meat, because it has that texture. I wanna try the noodles and the pork. The noodles with the mushroom. Another hit, guys. another hit creation. So good. So for the pork, guys, I use what kind of pork is this? This is not pork belly. I can't remember what part of the pork is this, but it has just enough fat for the, you know, for the dish. And I do not like meat that is very lean anyway. So this one is not pork belly, but it has enough fat for how I wanted it. So, but anyway, guys, I am going to enjoy my dinner again. So it smells so yummy. It smells so good. So guys, try this recipe, and if there's some ingredients that you cannot find, guys, you can substitute it with something else. At least you have an idea if you want to try the meal or the dish. So guys, don't forget to click that notification bell so you'll get notified when I have a new video. And please click that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel, Win's Life. I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.